Hello everyone and welcome to day 2 of our 100 days of code challenge where we're going to build a fitness website from scratch. On day 1 last time we built and we designed this top bar of our website where we included this button, where we included the pages, and we put this nice and beautiful logo of our website. So in day 2 today we are going to put contents in the body of our website. So welcome to day 2. I believe by now you know how to get into our coding editor. Yes, because today I don't want to talk a lot. I don't want to talk much like last time. I just want to head straight into the. If you missed the session of day 1, please just go to our YouTube channel and look for day 1. So just drag your folder and put into your code editor, and you open your coding editor like this. So let's go straight and open a section. In this section, let's give it a class. We shall call it home, like that. Inside our section, let's put 2 divs. The first div, we shall name it left. Let's first leave it like that, and then open another div and give it a name right, like that. In the first div, we are going to put image in it and put the image tag, which is img, and then source, the folders where you put the images, and then I'm going to put this image. If I hover, this is the image that I'm going to put in the left div. So in the right div, I'm going to put text, and inside this text I'll put h1, and I'll put tag also, this paragraph. So in my h1, the text that I'm going to put is in my h1 I'm going to put a welcome text. You can write any text that you want. So me, what I'll put will be welcome, comma, and I'll put welcome to our fitness training center. Stop. You can put any text that you want because this is your website. You're trying to build your website. So this is the title that I'll put, and then I come to the paragraph and I can say welcome to our fitness center where we do training sessions, comma, exercise. That's the spelling of exercise. Yes, exercise. We teach all kinds of aerobics, and many more. Yeah. So it's all about what you want to write. It's all about your website. I don't know what you want to put. And then I will put a button here for welcoming people, because this is a welcome thing, so I'll have to put a welcome. Last time in our header we have this button here which is join now, so let's include that button also in our button here, which is what is it? Join now. So let's save it, Control S, and let's go to our website, and you see the picture is here and our font is here, and it's looking too ugly, and our button is somewhere down there in the corner. So let's go to CSS and we style this nice lady here and the text. So you go back to your code editor and go to style. Now what you're going to style first is our section, which has a class of home. So you say .home and the curly brackets, and then first of all we begin with the width, which we shall give it 100%. Align items, center. Display will be flex, and then justify content, center. Justify content center. Margin, let's give it a margin of, from top, let's give it 5 rem. We shall check and see if it fits. And left and right, let's say auto, like that. Let's give a color, the beautiful color for our font. Let's give it something yellowish. Let's just call it yellow. Yeah, if it's not nice, we shall go and correct it. And let's hit save. Let's see what our website has. Let's see, where are the colors? Oh, so it's hidden now. So let's first deal with the styling. All right, so for home, that is it. So let's go to, we have another class. This is home. We have left. Let's go to left and right. Left and right. So let's call the left class, and let's as well call right at the same time. Let's call right like that. All right. So in the left class, let's put, let's give it a width. Actually, let's just design the image itself. Yeah, let's only target the image. So add here img. So let's deal with the image. So width, give it 800 pixels, like that, and margin from top, let's see, yeah, margin from top, margin top, maybe 3 rem, and this right, let's give it a flex basis of only 50%. Let's hit save and see how the website is looking now. Oh yeah, it's coming now. So our style is starting to work. The lady, let's try to push her down a little bit. I think we shall add the margin from top to make her fit well in the body of our website. Yeah, so let's add 5 rem for the image, for the left image. 5 rem, hit save, and then yes, so the lady, the margin from top is okay. Now let's go and style our font right here. Actually, let's try to break this. Let's try to break welcome to be in its separate line with to our fitness. So let's go and put a break here after the comma. So this is the code for break. Just put BR, and BR will take it to, will add another line. So if you come to our website and see, you see welcome is now alone in, sorry, welcome is in its separate line like this. Oh, what's up with my, yeah. All right, so let's now style our heading and our paragraph. So heading is in right, and even paragraph is in the right class. So come to your style.css and say right, which with h1 for the header, for the heading, use curly brackets, and then say font size, I'll give it 50%, I mean 50 pixels, and let's see if 50 works better. Yes, good, 50 is okay. So let's now style the paragraph and the button. So the paragraph, so that is dot right again, and call P for the paragraph, and first of all I'll change the color. I'll change the color to white, and then I'll give it a font size of 22 pixels. Hit save, and let's see if, yeah, it is okay. So let's go now for the button. Let's start the button. So our button is our button. Our button is here. Let's give it a class for us to easily target it very well. So a class of btn underscore 1. So you save it. So come to styles and dot btn underscore 1, and let's open the curly bracket. So first of all, let's give it a padding, the color, the background, increase the font size, and we put hover in it. Yeah, so let's do that. So let's color our button. We shall go with padding. Padding, let's give it 12 pixels. Top and, actually, yeah, top and bottom, and then left and right, let's give it 22 pixels. Yes. Background color of Parine. You can put any color that you want. Let's give it font size for the text inside. Let's let it be 18 pixels. Cursor pointer. Yeah, when you go to it, there is that finger pointing. Cursor pointer. Yeah, let's first check on this and see how it is looking now. Good. Yeah, let's try and bend these sharp edges a little bit. Let's bend the sharp edges. That is border radius. Border radius, let's give it over 5 pixels and see how the edges are. Good. That is not bad. Maybe let's try to separate it from the text above. Maybe let's just add a break here, just here like this. That's BR, and then save. Let's see. Yeah, there is some space. So let's put a hover effect for our button. So hover effect style.css. that is btn_1 and say hover like that, and then open curly brackets. So the hover effect, let's first begin with the background color. We shall give it something light. What's the color of our body? Let's give something relative to the color of our body, which is where was the body color? It is up here, this one. So let's copy this color. Let's copy this color and give it to our button. Let's give it our button, and we shall make it look a little bit lighter, maybe somewhere there. Let's give it a border. When we hover around, there is a border of 2 pixels. Let's first say solid border of 2 pixels, and to make it look nice, I'll give it the color of the text of the heading. Yeah, so this is, it is yellow, so let's say yellow like that. And then let's change also the color of the text inside and give it white for now, and let's hit save and see how the hover effect is working. Yeah, so that's the hover effect. Let's try to reduce the opacity of the background. Let's reduce the opacity through here like this. Hit save and let's see again, where is our website. Yeah, that is not bad. So let's continue and add some more text down here, add about us. So let's go to our coding editor and let's go to index.html. Now let's open another section, and let's give it a class and call it home about. You can call it anything. For me, I'll call it home and about, like that. So inside home and about, I'll give it also 2 divs. I'll call left like that, underscore, and about. Hit enter and open another div, and I'll call it right underscore about. That's right of about. Good. Inside our left, let's give it a h2 heading, and shall also give it a paragraph like that, p tag. In our h2, we shall give it about as the heading, and in our p tag, we shall get a free text somewhere here like this. So let's go to your browser and just say lorem ipsum for text, and you go to the very first link. Now this text has no issues with copyright, so you can use it anywhere. You know, as a website developer, you shouldn't copy people's content. You shouldn't copy people's text. They will definitely shut you down. Well, so let's copy this text like this. You can copy any text, or if you have your own text, you can write it down. Now, for the purpose of demo, we shall just copy this ready-made text for us. Let's go to our code editor, and in the p tag, we paste it there. Let's try to make it look nice I'll break it by pressing my enter button like this. Yeah, that's looking nice. So hit save, and let's go back again to our website, and it is down here. You can see it is down here in black and looking very ugly. So we are going to style it, but before we style it, let's first enter something in our div right. Let's enter something here, div of right about. So in the div of right about, this is what we are going to put. So in div, where is our editor? Yeah. So in div right about, we shall just put an image. The source will come from our folder, which is called images, and the dumbbells. Hit save. So now let me style home about. So I'm going to start with home about is what I'm going to style. So, and I call it here home underscore about. Open the curly brackets. First of all, I'll begin with the margin. So margin from top, I'll give it, let me give it 2 rem, and left and right, I'll just put 0. Let me give it, I'll give it a margin like that, margin of 5 rem, and auto. Display will be flex, align items, center, justify content, center, color of the text will be yellow, because yellow is now our color that we are using. So will be yellow. So that is our section. Let's target left and then right. So that is left underscore about, open the curly brackets. So in the left, let's give it a width. First of all, let's add width here, width of 100%. Yes. So now down here, let's give it a width of 70%. It's going to contain text. And then margin from left, I'll give it 3 rem. Yeah, so that is for left. And for right underscore about. For right, I think I'll also just target the image itself, img. And in the img, I'll give it a width of 800 pixels, like that. Hit save, and let's see what our website is saying. So here it is, and now let's work on the text. Text is it's not looking good at all. So let's work on the text. So far it's coming, so far it's looking nice. Okay, so let's work on the text. Now, first of all, let's first target this. This was H2, the heading. A heading was in H2 is in left and about. So call left and about. So let's give it a font size of 50 pixels. I think that will work. Let's check and see. There is okay, 50 pixels. So let's now target the paragraph. So paragraph, I think we shall change its color so that it looks more nice. That is yeah, it's still left. Yes, left and about. P tag paragraph, let's give it a font size of 22 pixels, and let's change the color to at least white, and let's see. Good, this is not bad. Maybe let's put some space between about and the text. Let's put some space there by saying where is H2. Let's put margin bottom 3 rem, like that. Hit save, and let's see what out looks like. Yes, this is not bad. So right about image, I think let's give it 600 pixels to at least we get some space here, get some space between this text. Our battery is going. Let me first put charger and I charge it. Our battery is dimming down. Our battery is warning in the battery. Yes, good. Yeah, so as I was saying that I'm going to raise it. Where is our right? Yes, this one here. Let me reduce it to 600 pixels. Hit save, and then I check on the website. Yes, this is now looking good. So thank you guys for watching. This is day 2 of our 100 days of code challenge, where we're going to build this fitness website from scratch. On day 1, we started by designing the top bar. Now day 2 today, we have cover effect in our button, the text like this, and the paragraph, this beautiful lady, and text down here, and these dumbbells. So see you in day 3 as we continue with the challenge of 100 days of code. And please subscribe, please like my videos. That is the only way I can feel motivated. If I'm seeing very many views, very many likes, and very many shares, I feel motivated. And please check also in the description for some other links. There are links that I've put there for you to either watch the previous videos or support me by buying me a cup of coffee. So thank you guys, and see you in the next video. Sharp.